Hello everyone, I'm here in my aunt's house again, and I'm here in the office with the Hunter Summer Breeze, and it's on a one-way switch, so it powers both the fan and the light to the switch. So let's take a look. Let's power up on low. Bump up to medium. Bump up to high. Pretty good breeze on medium and low. I like the low speed. I like four-bladed fans in general. Well, looks like it has a little bit of a wobble. Not much. The Infinity wobble quite worse because it had loose blades as well that I had to get up there and tighten for the former owner of the fan, and my aunt didn't know about it. I literally pushed a blade and a screw fell off, so it's not good. Cut power from the switch. Extremely long spin down. Probably as long as the Infinity. I don't know. It feels like it's longer because I'm not sitting on a couch this time. I'm leaning up on a wall. That'll do it to your back. Gotta lean far back on it to where I get the whole fan in the picture, but if I open the door doesn't open far enough to get the whole fan in the picture. Okay, well, it's almost done. See you later, guys. Thanks for watching. Yeah, it's almost done. I guess I could talk about a new rating system I'm doing in the comments, thanks to fans in houses on YouTube, etc. I don't know. I'll link his channel. But thanks for watching, guys. I'm doing his rating system, so don't think I'm stealing. I'm using his because it's cool. He set it up properly, so shout out to him, I guess. Cool. See you later, guys.